Alright, today we're making Starbucks Copycat Tazio Passion Tea Lemonade. Starting off with a bag of Tazio Passion Tea. Bring to a boil and let it cool. I purchased Great Value's brand of frozen lemonade. I was looking for the light lemonade, but they did not have any in stock, which is my preference on this. But for now, it's the Great Value lemonade, and it was frozen, and it tasted just fine. A cup of ice for your blender. Now here I'm going to combine the frozen lemonade with the 1 cup of ice in my blender. You do not have to blend. This is just my preference, and that's what I chose to do. Here I am adding my passion tea into the lemonade and ice mixture. This is what the mixture looked like prior to putting it in my Ninja blender. Again, that is my preference. You do not have to blend it. Some people drink it just this way, just with more ice. It's totally up to you. And this is my final product. I really enjoyed this. I think I'm going to go back and add the sugar-free vanilla syrup for a little bit more sweetness. But overall, I think this is really good and I like the outcome. Thanks for hanging out with me today, guys. And if you enjoy the content, please like and subscribe. And thank you and have a great day.